Hey guys, we're back at it again. Nandi and Khaya renewed their wedding vows there by Isitha The Enemy, and to find out more on this, then stay tuned to this video. You know, I was so sure that Khaya will never go back to Nandi, and what bugs me the most is that I couldn't watch Isitha The Enemy in the past week since I was wrapped up with the new Showmax telenovela called Youngins. You guys need to go and check that one out. I promise you won't regret it. So after watching episode 23 of Youngins, I started to catch up on Isitha, which is where I got a shock of my life, seeing that Khaya decided to get back with Nandi. Yo, guys, I got so excited when Kuma spoke to him, thinking that he'll probably make him realize what Nandi has done to him, but still, even Khaya couldn't convince him. I don't want to lie, I didn't really expect this to happen. I thought things ended for good between the two. I also never thought that Solomzi will ever allow any of that to happen. I mean, Solomzi risked being killed by Khaya several times. That shows that he's willing to do anything to be with Nandi. I really don't understand how he ended up accepting this. Then Nandi, what is she up to, Vel? Who is she trying to fool by being with Khaya? I mean, we all know that Nandi's heart is with Solomzi. It makes no sense why she's insisting on wanting to be with Khaya. I just think that Nandi would really love his team of Khaya and Solomzi, because I am certain that she'll cheat again. And I'm concerned about what is going to happen when Nandi sleeps with Solomzi again, because that will definitely happen. I don't think Khaya will be able to take it. I think if Nandi cheats again, there are high chances that Khaya might kill both Solomzi and Nandi, then kill himself in the process. Remember that news of him leaving Isitha was not denied, so we still don't know whether he's still going to come back in the next season or what. And that if he leaves, what is going to happen to his character? I really wonder how all of this is going to end. So ladies and gentlemen, please comment in the comment section and let me know, what do you think about Khaya and Nandi getting back together and going as far as renewing their vows? And if you enjoyed content in this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, and your TikTok. And this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.